So you've just created your playground school, and now you need to start adding your classrooms and information. I've already added a classroom called Hungry Hippos over here, but if you want to add another class, you can press Add Class right here and make it called Glittery Galaxies. You can then save this and it will create a new classroom. These are the list of classrooms at your school at the moment. You can always add new ones with this Add Class button as well. Next, I'm going to start adding some students. You can add a student with this Add Student button on the top right. I'm going to just add a single student right now, but we also support uploading rosters. So I'm going to add myself as a student to the school. I'm going to say that I'm in the Hungry Hippos. I can also add additional information as well, but parents can also populate this information when they sign up for the Playground app. Right now I'm going to skip over it. I'm going to add my mom as a guardian for myself. I'm going to add in her information and her email. This contact information will be displayed in the app, and the email is going to be used to send out the sign-up links. So make sure you get every spelling correct. Once I finish adding my mom there, I have the option to invite her to Playground. I'm going to skip this for now, but this will send her a sign-up link. I can then click into my student in order to see the additional information and an overview of the student. So here I'm able to see any birthday, address, medications, age, or allergies. Again, if you've uploaded this, this will be populated. Otherwise, parents will have the option to upload this information on their app. I'm able to record notes. I can see activities logged. This will include things like going to the bathroom, eating food, and all of the other types of activities that you might log. Then there's an attendance log, which are all of the sign in and sign out times for the student in the app. At the moment, there are none because we just added this new student. And then there's a program log down here for any programs that the student might have been signed in or out of. Next, we have the Guardians tab. These are all of the parent or guardians who are legally authorized to pick up or drop off these students. I then can also set a schedule for the student as well. At the moment, I'm not going to set a schedule, but it's very simple to just select the days that the person comes, and then you can go and change the hours as well. You're also able to create saved schedules, so that way you can assign a bunch of students to the same schedule. Next thing I'm going to show you is the Guardians tab. If you remember, I added Tamar, my mom, and you can see her information here. I can click on her email to send her an email, or I can do her phone number here as well. Once you've added all of your students, you can also send a mass sign-up link to everyone on the app. I can press this button right here, and then send the sign-up email, and all of my parents will be invited at once. You can see here that she was now invited. Once they've signed up, this will change to signed up. If I ever need to send a sign up link just to one parent, I'm also able to press these three dots here and press sign up link. It'll pull up the same modal as before, or I can copy the sign up link as well and then send it out to them individually. One more thing I want to show you before we go is the Classrooms tab now has our students. If I click into this, I can see who the students are, their date of birth, their age. Once that information is added, I can see any staff associated and add new staff as well. So let's say Josh Andrews is actually a staff member here. He's a teacher in the Hungry Hippos class. I can also then go and see guardians. So these are all of the guardians in the classroom. Right now it's just Tamar Andrews. This will show the parents and guardians of all of the students in the classroom. I can also filter this by relationship type. So if you want to just see the nannies, just see the moms, just see the dads, all of that is filterable over here. And that is all. That's all you need to get started on the admin dashboard.